Happy Monday, all of you hardworking jewelers. Oh my goodness, we have come to the end of the very first accounting period in the year 2015, and we are so excited. Premier offered this awesome consistency challenge where when you did 5 jewelry shows and retailed $2,000, you were going to be working your way towards receiving either a quarter or a half line of jewelry. And we had so many of you work towards that, and we're so proud of you. And do you remember we said that when you did that, you were going to get your name in the drawing to win this Michael Kors purse. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a drawing. Now let me remind you, once you hit your 5 jewelry shows and $2,000, you got 1 ticket in the drawing. Then you received an additional ticket in the drawing for every jewelry show you held above and beyond the 5 jewelry shows. Plus, you received 5 tickets in the drawing for every jeweler that you sponsored. And we added 13 new jewelers to our Premier family last month. So, in this bag right here, I have the names of every single person that accomplished the goal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw out a name, and that winner is going to receive this darling purse. And I'll put it in the mail to you probably tomorrow. And then I'm going to post on the Facebook page what you're going to be able to have a chance to win for February. So keep working on that jewelry show. So the winner of this purse for the month of January is Kelly Hover. Congratulations, Kelly. We're super, super excited for you, and we're very proud of each and every one of you. Have a great February.